Hey everybody, Callie with Napoleon here, and today I want to tell you about one of our most versatile grill offerings, which is this Apollo 3-in-1 smoker. We call it 3-in-1 because you can do three things with it. You can dry smoke, you can wet smoke, and you can use charcoal with it. So this is a really versatile offering and very unique to Napoleon once you consider all the different ways that you can use it. So in addition to having three different ways that you can cook on the Apollo, there are three different sizes or profiles that this thing can take. So this is the full size setup, and you might notice that in between the top and bottom parts, we've got two chambers, an upper and a lower chamber. And both of these can be removed so that eventually you can collapse it down just to a sphere, which is wonderful for portability. So if you're cooking with charcoal and you need something that you can just grab and go, tabletop style, there you go. The Apollo smoker is also your portable charcoal grill. Now with both smoking and charcoal grilling, airflow and temperature control are the name of the game, and the Apollo really makes that easy for you. So a couple of things. We've got vents on both the top and bottom for air control, movement, and by extension, temperature control. And of course, if you're doing a long smoke, you'd never want to let a whole lot of air or smoke or heat out of your grill. And so these two chambers, or doors to the chambers, open for easy access to each level of the grill. Down here, you might be adding wood chips or water or charcoal, and up here you can access whatever you're cooking, and I'll show you inside the grill in a minute. So let's take a look starting from the top of this grill. Right here you've got an AccuProbe thermometer, so you know exactly what temperature that you are grilling or smoking at. Very important. Here's a close-up of that vent. Up here you've got a cool touch handle so that no matter how hot, how cold, doesn't matter, you can easily lift the lid off of the Apollo. And if I remove the lid, you can see the first level of grates for doing your cooking. Take a look inside the lid and you will see these meat hooks that you can use for smoking your trout, or if you want to do a thing called tomahawk steaks, you can do that on the Apollo. I'll provide a link in the comments so that you can see what tomahawk steaks are. Now if I take off this first level of grates, you can see there's another level down lower. And again, there's a chamber door right in front here so that you can access this level without having to take the top off and take off this set of grates. So if you want to cook on both levels at the same time, you absolutely can. All right, so now I have removed one level of the Apollo smoker and we are at the bottom level of grates. And if I take this out, you can see here where the water goes if you were doing a wet smoke. So your soaked wood chips would go right below here. All right, now I'm gonna take out this tub, but normally rather than taking out the tub, you're gonna work through this front chamber, but it's a lot easier to see this way. So down here, you can kind of see another set of grates. These are actually to hold charcoal. It comes with some charcoal baskets so that these provide nice, good airflow for if you're cooking with charcoal. And again, there's a door in the front so that you can access this from the front without taking the grill apart. And remember, I told you at the beginning that this could be a charcoal portable grill as well. Well, here you go. Nice, light, easy, and portable. And in case you're wondering how easy it is to remove different parts of this grill and make it larger or smaller, that's it. So if the sound of a smoker that turns into a portable charcoal grill for versatility sounds good to you, check out the Apollo. It's amazing. Upgrade to a Napoleon.